Hey everyone, so today we're setting a comparison I see come up all the time, and that is Tiiny Host versus Carrd. Now both let you get something live online without being a developer, and at a glance, they might seem pretty similar, but they are actually built for completely different jobs. And if you pick the wrong one, you'll either hit a wall fast or be doing way more work than you need to. Now I'm going to walk you through both tools properly today, show you what each one actually does, and then give you a clear answer on which one makes sense, depending on what you're trying to do. So let's start with Carrd, since it's probably the more well-known name here. Carrd is basically a one-page website builder. You can go in, just click plus new site, and you can pick a template and use their drag and drop editor to design your page from scratch. It's super clean, it's intuitive, and honestly, for what it is, it's pretty impressive. Pricing, if we just scroll up, pricing is where Carrd really stands out. It starts free and the paid plans are genuinely cheap. You're looking at $9 a year for Pro Lite, $19 a year for Pro Standard, which unlocks custom domains and forms, and then $49 a year for Pro Plus if you need Zapier integrations or code exports. So I'm gonna say that again, that is per year, not per month. So the cost argument for Carrd is very, very strong. And so for a simple portfolio, a link in bio page, or a pre-launch landing page where you want to build something from scratch, Carrd is genuinely excellent. Now let's just open dashboard again and go to templates. So I'm just gonna click new site, and let's say we want a landing page, and let's just scroll down and select one. Let's just select this. Now, as you can see, the templates look modern, their mobile optimization is solid, and you can connect your own domain on the standard plan. But here's the thing, Carrd is an all-in-one tool, which means that you're working inside their system. So that means that every page has to be designed. So if you already have your content as a PDF ebook, a landing page you built in code, a deliverable you want to share with a client, then Carrd can't just take that. You have to rebuild it inside the editor, element by element. And Carrd only does one-page sites as well. So that's by design, and it works great for certain things, but it's a genuine limitation if your needs do evolve. Right, so what is Tiiny Host? Tiiny Host is a different beast entirely. It's not a site builder, it's a publisher. The whole premise is you bring in the file, Tiiny puts it on the internet, literally in a second. I just published an image now. And they can do this with HTML, zip files, PDFs, literally whatever format your content is already in. And Tiiny Host just hosts it. So let me show you how fast this is with a PDF. So again, I'm just in the dashboard now. I'm gonna go and click upload file again. And as you can see, I've got a nice Google Drive zip file, and I'm also gonna clean up the name for it. So I'm just gonna call it zip file and literally hit publish. And there you have it, it's live. So now there is a live URL you can click to then go on this video and watch it super quickly. Now we'll just come back to Tiiny Host. So like I said, there's no editor, there's no template picking, there's no assembling elements. If the file exists, it's online, simple as that. Tiiny doesn't replace your creative tools, it works with all of them. So if you want to design a Figma and export, use Tiiny. Let's say you built your landing page in code, Tiiny Host is great for that. You might have a PDF proposal that you want to share as a link rather than an attachment. Tiiny is great for that too. So you can just use whatever tool you prefer to create your content, and Tiiny handles the hosting. Now, this is also where something really interesting comes in. I've got the Claude Chrome extension, so I'm just gonna click it now. So watch this, I can open Claude right in my browser. I can describe the page I wanna build. So let's just say, please build me a simple one-page landing page. I need the file in HTML format, and then we hit enter, and let's see what Claude builds for us. Okay, so now I've done that. I've zipped this HTML code up. I'm now gonna go back, so we can close Claude. I'm gonna go back to Tiiny Host, upload file, select the HTML file that I got. Now publish, and let's see how fast. And it's live, literally within a second. So the whole workflow just took me a few minutes max. And unlike Carrd, where you are constrained by their templates and the editor, this page is completely custom. There's no template constraints, there's no branding limitations. Nothing is locked to the platform. It's fully yours. So that's the Tiiny approach to AI. It doesn't try to build AI into the product itself. It just works seamlessly with the AI tools you already use, because it accepts any HTML file you throw at it. Okay, we're on Tiiny Host, so might as well let you know some features that are worth knowing. So once your site is live on Tiiny Host, you get a set of features built right in that Carrd either doesn't have or requires you to wire up through third-party services. So first things first, analytics. So if we go into analytics, we can see we've got 1 current visitor on the site, 2 total page views, 1 unique visitor. We can scroll down, you will be able to see the devices that it was viewed on, as well as where in the world it was viewed, which is really, really cool. Now, again, Carrd relies on you to manually add Google Analytics in. Tiiny just has it here. Now, moving on to password protection, if we click update and update this file, we can scroll down to access mode, and we have 3 different types. We're going to focus on password protection for now, so we'll just click this and I'll enter in a password, a very strong one that I always use called password with a capital P. I'm only joking. So now when someone clicks on the site, they have to type in the password that you send them. Now, this is really useful for client work. If you're sharing a proposal or a confidential report, you can slap a password on it and only the people that you share the password with can view it. Now, moving on to email capture. If we just click update again and change the access mode, we can change this to capture emails. So what this will do is when visitors view the site, they will have to submit their email before they can view your content. Now, Tiiny Host even verifies the email address. So you won't be getting junk or fake emails. You get notified every time someone signs up and you can follow up as well. So this is great for ebooks, this is great for gated resources, anything where you want to build a list. Now we've even got QR code generation. So for anything that you publish on Tiiny, you can instantly generate a QR code, which is handy for print materials, events, anywhere you want people to get your content from a phone without typing a URL. Then there's also custom domain. So again, if we go on the 3 dots here and click publish to custom domain, if you want to link, say, yourname.com instead of Tiiny Host subdomain, you can set that up directly in this dashboard. Now, DNS setup is guided and SSL is automatic as well. Then there's feedback mode. Now, this basically lets collaborators or clients leave comments directly on the page, which is really useful for design reviews or client approvals without needing a separate tool. Okay, so when to use which? Here's the honest answer. You should use Carrd if you need to build a 1-page site from scratch and you don't have existing files. If you want the cheapest possible paid plan, that's $19 a year, and it is genuinely hard to beat. If you want a simple portfolio, link in bio, or a pre-launch page with a nice template as your starting point, or if you're not a developer and you want everything handled in one place. Now, you should use Tiiny Host if you already have your content in a file format and you just need it live fast. If you want the freedom to build with whatever tools you prefer, whether that's code, AI, Figma, literally anything, if you need built-in analytics, password protection, email capture, or QR codes without setting up extra services, and if you're sharing client work, proposals, PDFs that need to look professional as a link, or even if you want to use AI like Claude to generate pages and ship them instantly, Carrd builds it, Tiiny Host hosts it. And if you've already got something or you're building something with AI, then Tiiny is the faster, more flexible choice. If you're starting completely from scratch and you want a guided all-in-one experience at the lowest possible price, Carrd is a solid choice too. So if you want to try Tiiny Host, the link is in the description below. There's a free plan so you can test it out right now. And if you found this useful, hit subscribe. Now we post comparisons and tutorials like this regularly. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.